Hello everyone, my name is Riley and you're watching Brickitecture. Today I'm going to explain this, how I use just a little bit of math and some Lego bricks to design it. I hope you're ready to learn. As you can tell, it's a relatively large model, and that's because it's actually Thanos scale. Here you can see me putting together the Infinity Stones, and these were really simple to make because they're each just like 3 bricks. I've been working on this thing for about a year, and it has over 2,000 pieces. Also, it's wearable like most of my MOCs. I built the fingers and hand mostly out of bricks, and these were actually the first thing I worked on. The trouble came when I was trying to build the gauntlet, and that took over a year to get right. I'll tell you why. The question is, how do you make something conical out of square building blocks? And the answer is actually relatively simple. You just need to go back to the basics of geometry. Lego makes these pieces and they're called wedge plates, and what they are just plates that are flat on one side and they either increase or decrease in width on the other. And Lego makes these in all sorts of different shapes, sizes, and angles. And what makes these fit into the Lego system so well is that with each reduction in size, the angle increases. Also, these two have the same angle. So say you have a 3x12. Well, the angle is going to be from point A to point B. And the smaller these pieces get, the closer those 2 points are going to move together, which would make the angle sharper. So if you want a shape like this, you'd use the longer pieces because the angle is more obtuse. Whereas if you wanted a cone shape, then you would use the shorter pieces because the angle would be more acute. This is a technique I like to call polytecture. A poly can be any shape with straight sides. Obviously you can see these shapes on the gauntlet, but you're probably wondering how I connect them. This is called a ball joint. A ball joint is a combination of 2 pieces, more commonly known as mixel joints. Lego released the Mixel series early in 2014 with the new ball joints. And without the invention of these pieces, polytecture would be physically impossible. The reason is that mixel joints can bend at the X, Y, and Z axis. However, the old hinges could just bend up and down. You can connect the joints from the bottom of the wedge plate structure with jumper plates or any other type of plate. I'd experiment with this because there's so many combinations of wedge plates you can make. Just remember this golden rule. Anytime you put the angles of wedge plates back to back, the angle is going to be the sum of both their angles. So now you know. Using a combination of wedge plates and ball joints, I'm able to make complex structures that can look the part of any prop. Before I end this video, I want to give a shout out to Bricktree Customs. Bricktree Customs is an online store that sells original, carnival-themed custom Lego kits. They package sets with brand new pieces and instruction manuals and ship them to your door. There's a link down in the description so you can check them out. You won't be disappointed. Hello everyone, I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and like and subscribe down below. Also, feel free to comment your thoughts and ideas on future projects that I can build. And if you maybe got inspired to build your own Lego Infinity Gauntlet, please let me know down in the comments. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.